So today, to count more efficiently, I'm going to show you how to use the open-ended number line. And that's what we're going to practice, open-ended number line. I love using this because with the open-ended number line, by counting on the number line, you're learning to add and subtract bigger numbers. Okay? So we want to get from 776 to 900. You can write this on your whiteboard. Well, what I'm going to do is so I'm going to draw my number line now, or not. I want it right. Maybe I need to use this. Okay. So I'm going to draw an arrow. Well, here's my straight line, but it's not a straight line because I can't.
It's hard to do it
with the mouse. I'd rather do it up there. Anyways. So I have an arrow on each end. Well, why would I have an arrow on each end of my number line? Talk with your partner. 10 seconds. Okay, Zayden?
Skip numbers to 900.
Well, you're right. I am skipping some numbers. Caroline? What? Get the whiteboard right there. Caden.
So that's an open-ended number line.
Yeah, and so what's in front of 776?
775.
Yeah, and all the way to 0. So the number line keeps going. That's why we have our arrows, because the number line starts at 0. Right? Just like a ruler or a tape measure. It starts at 0 and it keeps going. So here, we have all the numbers on this number line, if we continue it, would be from 0 to 775. Why do we have an arrow on the other side? Easton.
Because it keeps going on and on.
Yeah, the number line keeps going up to infinity, right? Right? It goes 901, 902, and it keeps going. So that's why it's open-ended. That's beautiful, but let's do this. So, now I'm going to count on my number line. Let's see, how can I do it? There you go. I want to get to my first friendly number. So what do I need to count by here?
10.
Not yet. Remember, I want to get zeros in those numbers. Ones. I need to get rid of my ones, right, to make it easier to count. So I'm going to count by 1 first. 777. I love this word. 778. 779.
800.
780. And now I'm at 780. Now I can count by something else to be more efficient. Zoe.
Tens.
10. So now I make a bigger jump. 790.
800.
800. Now I can make a bigger jump.
100.
Catherine, 100s. Very good. Let me write my 10 above this because I like to make my jumps. You can write the number underneath. I could have write 777, right? So now I can make a jump from 800 to 900. So then I need to figure out, well, how much did it take to go from 776 to 900? Well, 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124. So basically, what you did when you counted like this, you did 900 minus 776. You just did a subtraction problem. And that's 124. Or you just did 776 plus 124 equals 900. It's all about counting, guys. The open-ended number line is such a good strategy. So let's try another one. Let's see if I can write.
I can't use this one. Mr. Juwan,
Yes.
can I use my Arduino instead of a whiteboard since I don't have mine?
Yeah.
Because I have one out there. Okay, line.
Okay, so I'm at 534. I'm drawing my open-ended number line. This is much better to draw on this. And I want to go up to, say, 727. I want to be efficient. I want to be efficient with this. Okay. What are you doing? Okay, I know. That water bottle, I'm going to throw it out in a minute. Yeah. So first of all, I'm going to count by what? Share with your partner. Cindy, please. Elise, what am I going to count by first? Ones, right? I want to get rid of these ones. So 435, 436, 437, 438, 439. Oh, I'm sorry, 500. 500 what?
600.
No. I'm counting by ones, guys.
500.
Shh. Share with your partner. What's my number here?
540.
Madison, what is it? Plead with your partner. I'm at 540. Now I can count by what?
10.
550, 560, 570, 580, 590,
600.
600.
600.
Now I can make a big jump from 600 to,
100.
no, I can make a jump of what?
100.
And then where do I go to? It's 7.
100 and...
Well, I still need to continue, so I'm at 700. Got to continue this open-ended number line. I'm running out of space. Trying to get to 727. Now I can't make a jump 100 because I go over, so now I got to make jumps of 10, right? 710, 720. And then I have this 7, so I need to count by 1. But we're smart enough to know that 720 to 727 is what? How many? No. I'm at 720. How many to get to 727? 7. Let me just make my jump a 7. Boom. 7. Now let's add them up. Well, here I had to make 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 187, 88, 89,
800.
okay. Let's all count this out, everyone. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 187, 108, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193. Well, let's check this to make sure. This is what we're doing basically. 7 minus 4.
7 minus 4.
Whisper to your partner. Brooke.
3.
3. 2 minus 3.
1.
Robert?
1.
No, you can't do that.
0.
There's more on the floor, so I got to go next door. This becomes a 6. This becomes a 12. 9, 1. They match up. It does work. The open-end number line does work. It's a great tool. One of my favorite strategies. And you're counting more efficiently because you're moving from the ones to tens and hundreds. Efficiency.